Hello student, this is Osline Tongsungya. Today we are going to start a very important chapter for class 10 economics, that is globalization and the Indian economy. Okay student, let us start. Introduction. Globalization is the process of rapid integration between countries to countries. So it means globalization, it is a actually process that rapid means SPD, integration means emerging, a connection between countries to countries. Production and foreign trade. Until the middle of the 20th century, production was organized within countries. So, till the middle of the 20th centuries, the companies, they start manufacturing setup only in their home nation. MNC, multinational corporation. Company that own or control production in more than one nation. So that means the companies, the multinational companies, they own or control their production setup in more than one nation. Next, offices find different nations, but head office may be in their home nation. So their offices, their sub branches, it may be different of countries, but the main thing is that the headquarter it generally set up in their home nation. Example: Airtel, Tata, Reliance, Google, Facebook, and many others from difference of nation. Factors influencing the locations of production unit. So, what are the basic things necessary to build up a production unit? Availability of a skilled and unskilled labor at cheap rate. So it means the labor must be available in and around area, like a skilled labor and also unskilled labor, and they must be also at very cheap rate. Next is distance to market. So market also play a very important role to set up an industry, because the company need to purchase the raw materials from the market, and also after finishing the finished good have to supply to the market. So that's why market play a very important role to set up a manufacturing unit. Next is availability of resources like water, electricity, and raw materials. So very important, water must be available near the manufacturing setup, and electricity also it must be regular electricity in an around area, and also raw material must be available in that particular area. Next important thing is that road connectivity like land, water, and air. So land like roadway, railway, water like overseas, and also inland waterway, and air connectivity. These connectivity play a very important role to set up a industry. So student, I hope you understood what are the basic factors necessary to set up a company. Investment. The money spent on machines, buildings, and land is called investment. So the money we spend on machine like building and also to purchasing land is called investment. Next is foreign investment. Investment made by MNC. MNC means multinational corporation is called foreign investment. So, for example, in India, Maruti Suzuki, Hero Honda, Samsung, they are investing in India. So, this investing known as foreign investment. At times, multinational corporations set up production units jointly with some local companies. At times, MNCs set up production units jointly with some local companies. So these multinational corporations, sometimes they set up their production unit with some small local companies. So after joining like this, the local companies, the small companies, what they get benefit. Number one, new production method learn. These small companies, they learn new production unit. That means how to produce new production. Okay. Next is get new technology knowledge. So this MNC, they bring difference of technology from foreign countries. See, that's why these small companies, they get knowledge of those technology knowledge. Next is get chance to enhance their company. So as although they get a lot of fund from the MNC, so that's why, and also they get order of, to produce more production, so that's why they get chance to improve, enhancement to improve their company. Next is the products must supply in the name of particular MNC brand name. So this is also very important thing, is that these small companies, they produce product, but they have to supply in the name of that particular brand, MNC brand name. Like for example, if the Tata set up production unit with the other companies in foreign countries, that foreign company must be supply the product in the name of the Tata brand name. Foreign trade benefits. So the companies who start foreign trade, that means the companies who start export and import with other countries, they get this benefit. Like it create opportunities for the producers to reach beyond the domestic market. So it means the companies who start import and export or foreign trade, they get this benefit. Like if they lose in their domestic market, they continue get profit from foreign countries. Job opportunities increase. So to fulfill the foreign demand, the particular company have to increase the production unit. So that's why job opportunities also definitely increase in that particular company. Next is a result in the integrations of market in different countries. So this is also very important. When company start import and export with other countries, it start connection with other countries. So that's why this integrations of market from one market to another market, integration it emerges, okay, or from one country to another country. So this process of emerging market or sharing the ideas from one country to another is known as globalization. So student, I hope you understood. We will continue in the next video. Thank you for today.